Hello, and welcome to another Tie-Dye Tuesday. I'm your host, Jared Hunt, and today we'll be making an Osmo Moo shirt. So grab your sinew and your favorite shirt, and let's get started. Take your shirt that's been soaked overnight in soda ash, spun out in the washer, and hang dried till it is bone dry. Stretch out the shirt, make it as flat as possible, and line up the seams. Use a washable marker to draw the letters on. Now we want to isolate each line of the letter. We started with the O. It's a symmetrical letter, so you can fold that in half and then just basically pleat along the lines. For the M's and the Z's and the U's, it's a little different. Like I said, isolate each section of the letter and then you pleat along the letters drawn on line. Once we've done the letters, it's time to do the rest of the shirt. And I just do it kind of like a mandala and just do sections emanating from the front of the shirt. It is now time to dye. We'll start with black for the letters, and after each letter has been dyed, I do like to smush it with a cloth just to make sure to eliminate as much of the run and bleed as possible. Once the letters have been dyed, it's time to dye the rest of the shirt. In this video, we're going to use the 6-color rainbow, and I will link the dyes in the description of the video. You can use any color you want. It's all up to you. Once we've finished dyeing the rest of the shirt, it's time to add the black highlight color. I use a foam brush to do this. As always, when you batch your pieces, make sure it's at least 70 degrees and you let them sit for at least 24 hours. That is the bare minimum. Personally, I do let my pieces all sit for at least 48 hours. Once the piece has batched, before I even open it, I throw everything in the washing machine for one cold cycle. Then I go ahead and start opening. Once that first wash cycle's done, you can go ahead and open your piece and then throw it back into the washing machine. That's one wash cycle on cold, and then you have 2 more on cold and then 1 on hot for a total of 3 cold cycles and 1 hot cycle. If you want to use laundry detergent, you're more than welcome to, but it is not necessary. After washing, if you would like to keep the size the same, hang dry. If you need to shrink it, throw it in the dryer on high heat. Thank you all so very much for watching. I really appreciate you guys spending your time with me. If you found this video entertaining or helpful, drop a like. If you want to see more tutorials, hit that subscribe button. And for the sake of engagement, leave a comment for what design you want to see next or just to say hi. Finally, if you want to browse my inventory, you can check out my Facebook page. I'll leave a link in the description. And once again, thank you all very, very much, and I hope you all have a great rest of your week.